Okay guys, it's today, and yesterday I cried so much. I'm trying not to be emotional. This vlog might be a little bit more of a clips vlog rather than me talking because this is hard. But anyways, that's what I'm wearing. I can't believe I'm doing this. Let's go. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I just got off the plane. I landed in Dallas. Now I'm headed to the gate for the flight to Incheon. I feel good.
South Korea, and we're anticipating a great flight and very happy.
Ate break. I don't know if you can hear me, but I just ate. I'm so full. Hey everyone, so what's up? I am in my apartment in Korea, obviously. So I am just heading up. It is the first day I'm here. I showered finally. I am watching Korea versus Mexico soccer game. And I am just gonna try to get as much done as I can, just because why not? I'm the kind of person that I just can't leave the stuff here and let it be. Like, I have to at least try to like do something. So I already cleaned a lot of the things and the surfaces and stuff, and right now I was about to put away some of my snacks that I brought. But yeah, it's just great. Did you guys hear the motorcycle? It brings me so many memories of studying abroad, because like the sounds, like I can tell I'm in Korea because of the motorcycles. Anyways, let's go. I literally brought all the goods.